In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image to a letter in Canva. We'll walk through a simple flow that turns your text into image-filled letters, perfect for bold titles, monograms, or eye-catching social posts. Start by opening the Canva project where you want to work. Once your design is on screen, look at the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is where we'll find the tool that transforms text into frames. In the search bar inside Apps, type FrameMaker, then select it from the results. This app creates frames in the shape of letters, which means your images will sit neatly inside the text, just like any standard frame in Canva. With FrameMaker open, switch to the Text tab. This is where you'll set the style of your letters. Before you type, choose a font by clicking the font selector. For best results, pick a bold, chunky font so the images show clearly inside each letter. Thin or narrow fonts can crop your image too tightly, so a thicker style usually looks cleaner and more impactful. Now type the single letter or the full word you want to use. If you're typing a word and you'd like each letter to hold a different image, click Split into Letters. This separates the word so every character becomes its own frame. It's a great way to tell a story across a title, or to match each letter to a different color, theme, or subject. When you're happy with the text and font, click Add to Design. Your framed letters will appear on the canvas, ready to be used like any other element. At this point, the text is functioning as a set of frames. That means your images will fill the letters just the way they do with standard frames in Canva. If you split into letters, each one accepts its own image, giving you full control over how the word looks as a whole. From here, adjust the size and placement of your frame text to fit your layout, keeping in mind that larger letters generally showcase images better. The process is designed to be quick and flexible, so you can experiment with different fonts and words without starting over. If you want to try a new look, return to the Text tab in FrameMaker, adjust your font or wording, and add a fresh version to the design. And that's it. By opening your project, using the Apps panel to find FrameMaker, switching to the Text tab, choosing a font, typing your word or letter, optionally splitting into letters, and clicking Add to Design, you're all set to place your images inside beautifully framed text.